Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Moments at Moment podcast, where the small moments that reveal big truths. I am your host, Wei. So, welcome to the episode 2 to the Moments of Meaning. And our episode for today is the one we stay for. Bakit mo we stay sa expectation? So, pang hinihintay mo, story time. May mga taong hindi naman natin ginustong mahalin ng sobra. Pero, minahal pa rin natin. Hindi dahil perpekto sila, kundi dahil pinili nating magstay kahit mahirap. Pinili nating umintindi kahit parado tayo. Pinili nating maghintay kahit wala namang sinisigurado. Minsan, doon masakit. Kasi na-realize mo na kaya mong mag-stay sa kanila. Pero hindi nila kayang gawin yun para sa'yo. Ang pinakamasakit na lesson, hindi lahat ng pinaglaban nananalo. Pero lahat ng minahal ng totoo ay naiwang marka. And remember, loving deeply was never a mistake. If you stayed, it means your heart was real. If you let go, it means you finally choose yourself. Some people leave, but the lesson stay. That lesson will carry you forever. I am your host, Wayne. This is the Moments of Meanings. Thank you. Like and share and subscribe. See you again. God bless.